Es heißt Home Again. I can't tell if I'm coming or going. It all feels like home. To reckon with, I will take good care of you, but I must leave here today. The paths we've chosen have crossed us far, although recent times have left us drifting. Must have occurred if I am to speak my own words, but I will return home again. So many souls have wandered into great unknowns. So many fools have squandered more than what they own. It's time addiction will lead to crucifixion, but you know it's always self-imposed. Once you leave home, you can never go back. But when you leave, you grow, never be the same. But I believe this house has experienced growing pains. I believe this house has experienced growing pains. And I will return home again. Time of distance, I can find no walls of resistance. The way is clear, I love you so. The days here I'm leaving, there will be no deceiving. I will return home again.